Hi, job seekers. I'm on my way to the bus to go up to my volunteer job at Chrysalis, where I help people with resumes. And I just want to tell you, I got scratched by my cat on my nose. So if anybody's wondering, that's what it is. Now you can let it go. I wanted to talk to you about a problem that I've noticed from a couple of different sources recently. First of all, from my work and also from my volunteer job. And it is that some people have been putting together resumes and they've used templates that they found online. And these templates have included tables. The reason that's a problem is because Applicant Tracking Systems can't read content that's in tables. So if you're using a format that is tables to include all of your information, you're essentially sending the applicant tracking system a blank resume. Obviously, this is why people were wondering why on earth they weren't getting any response to their wonderful resumes, perfect qualifications, but that's why. One of the most important things that I can say to you is if you're going to use a template that you find online, just double check as a Word document and make sure that it's not founded on tables. You can see the little plus sign up in the corner, which brings me to, at the moment on my website, workinproduction.com, if you sign up to my newsletter, you immediately have access to a 5-day or 5 email sequence that will help you write your own resume, starting from scratch, no template needed, just a Word document, and step by step to put together your own ATS compliant, excellent, straightforward resume. And you can follow along, gather your information, and it's not overwhelming because it's not all at once. I have got to get more of it. I'm puffed just walking to the bus, but that's okay. So now I'm here at the train station, and I just wanted to remind everybody to subscribe to my channel, ring the little bell, notifications. Talk to you soon.